Get ready to be angry. Do you carry while you're working out at the gym? Because I never have, and I'm curious as to what the general consensus is on the subject. But before we get into it, here's a quick reminder that we have a gun giveaway going on right now. You can enter for free, but it ends really soon. So just click the link in the description down below to reveal which brand new gun you could win. All right, do you carry at the gym? Typically, I don't carry at the gym because I'm here at the studio. I can see my gym right over there. So I'm behind a locked door and nobody else is here, and I'm doing that all by myself. So I don't have to worry too much about that. But if I were heading out to the gym, I'm carrying my gun with me when I go, then I have to follow the rules at the gym and determine what is it that I'm going to do with my gun when I get there. 1, follow all the rules. The local gym here is attached to the school, so I can't really carry my gun when I go into the school because even with my police identification, I don't want to cause any extra problems there at the gym. When I'm working out, doing road work, walking around, I have, I'm going to admit it, a fanny pack. And I carry that fanny pack with me with a small pistol in the fanny pack and 2 bottles of water with it, just so that I can have a gun with me when I'm doing, I'll call it long distance, but it's only a 5-mile loop. If I'm going to walk that loop or try to run that loop or something like that, I'll carry that gun with me on a fanny pack. So that's what I do. Let's read some of the answers from folks who were chiming in on this topic over on Reddit. Here's one. I don't carry at the gym. It gets locked in the car safe while I'm in there. I work from home, and I get the luxury of being able to go to the gym in the middle of the day when there's only a few others there. I'm just trying to be more aware of my surroundings and then leaving my car and walking 4 to 5 spaces back over to get to it. When I used to go to the gym, this is another response here, I would carry there always, lock it up, and then rearm after I was done. I wasn't interested in working out with my gun on me every day. Now I have a home gym and there's one nearby while I work out, but it's not on my person. So I guess there's one gun nearby. We lost a little bit of context in there. Here's another response. Did you just carry it in a gym bag? I would think it would be awkward to take it out where people could see it while getting dressed or undressed. Another response says, I don't carry it at the gym. I don't even bring my firearm in. I trust my car to be more secure. I know it's not a great practice, but it's the only time I don't carry the gun. Now, folks, it can be effective to lock your gun in the car. But I think the question going on here is, do people think they're going to need their gun in the gym, on the bench press or something like that? Do you need your gun right there next to you inside the gym area while you're working out? I don't know how safe and secure your gym is. Again, I work out right here. There's a gym in the studio, so I can keep the door locked and I don't have to worry about anybody else coming in there. But if you're truly concerned about what might happen at the gym, and if the gym allows it, off-body carry might be an option. Certainly the gun will be closer to you if something happens in the gym rather than it being locked out in your car and you have to try to figure out how to get from the gym where the bad thing's happening out to the car. Or are you going to get attacked walking from the gym to your car? You might want to keep that gun close by. Here's another answer. I keep mine in my gym bag. Good thinking, which is always next to me when I'm working out. If your gym allows members to carry their bag around, you should consider doing that. This is really cool. You can carry your gun in your gym bag, but remember the rule about off-body carry. You can't leave that bag anywhere. You can't leave it unattended. You can't lose sight of it. There's a live gun in the bag. So if you carry off-body, you put your gun in your gym bag, you better make sure that nobody else is going to walk away with your gym bag, or that you're not going to get busy talking to somebody doing something else and walk away from your gym bag. You gotta keep direct control of that firearm. If you have any suggestions on how you carry at the gym, I'd love to hear them. So comment down below. Tell us what you do or what you think about carrying at the gym. Want to know when it's legal to draw your gun? Click the video right next to me to reveal a detailed explanation from a former police officer and competitive shooter.
Let me give you a definition of lethal force. Lethal force is any force that would cause death or great bodily harm.